take for granted, stay humble. Now wake up, it's time to look at the enemy. Look in the mirror